The idea behind this shot, I want them, is a kind of sexy corset with tracksuit bottoms. It sounds good, doesn't it? I've asked them to do the hair very quirky or kind of childlike, maybe pigtails with stuff in it. Makeup's going to be coloured to match. We've been and bought sweeties. And the idea in my head is a really simple white background, so I'm going to bleach this out to pure white. Sweetie in the mouth, concentrating on the colour with the makeup, with the matching the sweetie, and having it as a triptych of 3 different sweeties, 3 in 1 picture. Now, using beauty lights, we're going to use very, very flat frontal, probably clamshell lighting with a white background. That's the idea. Completely different look for the previous shot, but it should be really powerful because it's just all about colour. Now, I'm going to be using the big Bron light, which is obviously that big thing there, but we're using 2 of them. There's absolutely no need to be using them lights. You could quite easily use any of these soft boxes here in the same technique, so it's not like you actually need the big lights. We've got them, and the quality of light is really beautiful, so we might as well use them. I'll start off simply with the background lights. I'm wanting to be shooting at round about, again, probably f8, f11 to be honest with you. Got enough in, make sure I've got everything in focus and sharp. So the background needs to be 2.5 stops. Again, dark hair. We've got white, 2.5 stops difference between the backlight and the frontal lights. And I'm going to take a reflected reading again off the background to give me that reading. Now, in fact, I don't have to because it's the highlight. I forgot I'm on the highlight. So I can actually just take an incident through here because that's taking into account the light that's coming off of there. I was thinking about bouncing off the back, but this is obviously already taking that into consideration. So that's one thing about the highlight. When you're photographing high key in the highlight, it is actually it's really easy to get your readings as opposed to on a white background in the studio, which is bouncing back off a vinyl or whatever the case may be. So, it's just a matter of taking an incident from here. Natalie? I'm going to have to do 100 dyes, so I'm going to go to 100, that will make it easier. Right on there. Okay. Again. 22 bang on. Okay. I'm going to switch the modelling lamps off in here. Just so that they're no heating up inside. Jay, oh no, he's switching more lights off. Trust me, Jay, there's going to be big lights here. You're going to be fine. Okay. And these make the perfect clamshell. They actually are really, really good. You've got to make sure that this one's lower power though, because otherwise what you're going to get is you're going to get Hammer horror style effects. So the top one's got to be more powerful than the bottom one. That better light? Okay. 11, that's bang on. And we'll switch this one off. He loves me, he really does. Right, next. Again. Should be about just over 11 again. 11 and a half. Let's shoot at 11. Half a stop overexposed. Natalie, just want to go in the middle there for me just a second, honey. So how you set your white balance is dead simple. We have a picture, you tap a picture once, which will give you full size. You click into the menu here, you take your white picker button, and we will select that as our white balance. And in theory, when we go back to white balance, it should have set that as a custom white balance. So the next shot should be bang on white balance. Perfect. Just proper flat lighting. Now we just need a model. I think we're probably going to need some hair light on this. I'm going to do some with a white background and some with grey as well. Yes, it will. It will gel it up. In fact, Helen, that's a really good question because we might use pink for this because of the Sweetie link.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
You're a genius.
I was thinking of the virtual studio.
I knew I brought you here for a reason. Keep me right. Yeah, so more intensity
That's wicked, yeah.
with a lower thing. So you can change it to any colour you want. It's a really versatile thing, that.
Cool.
The highlight. So Judy, you're going to be here, hon. Yeah? And it's just dead simple. You know, I don't want any hands or anything at the minute, but we'll maybe get some shape in a second. But let's just get a couple of tests done. The background is, thanks to Helen, the background's pastel pink, which looks fantastic. Okay, come closer. Beautiful. Just want to do a quick test. Close as you can come. Bring your head that way. That's beautiful. Wow, man. Yeah, it's awesome. Right, so we've got the light right, so we now need to just get the sweeties and try and make it a quirky picture. I'm loving the colour of the background. It's just beautiful. Shooting on the 150mm again. F11 in camera. I might put a hair light in eventually, just to get a little bit more thing up here. Sweeties. Okay, let's go for one of these, right? And it's just in the teeth, right? And just that's it, right in the middle. That's pretty much right in the middle. I love it, right? I know. Right, so it's a sort of, it's lovely. It's great. It's really good. Ever told you that I love you? That was what I was looking for. Right, let's try again. That's it there. That's it.
There.
No, round a wee bit this way.
There.
That's it there. There's perfect.
Really?
Yeah. I know. Oh, you moved it. I know. That's fantastic. Brilliant. Okay. Bring both your hands up to your heads. Just like just touch it. Just something. That's fantastic. Love it. Beautiful. And again. Gorgeous. Actually, take your hands away down this time. I need to change my lens to get closer. Love the intensity of your stare. It's really good. Okay, try again. Beautiful. Love it. Right, I'm going to put my macro on. This is a manual focusing lens. Love it. One more. Okay, change the sweetie. Let's, is there a long, is there, aye, someone,
Unravel that?
yeah, fantastic. So it's, right, so it's going to go in your teeth, right? Yeah, that's fantastic. If we can even get a wee bit more right there. Love it. See the way that's curling around there. Love it. Let's try it and see. Love it. Lean in a bit for me. Beautiful. It needs to be more. That's exactly what I want. More. That's good. The noise does help.
I'm dribbling that.
Are you dribbling, are you? Very good. Okay. That's fantastic. Yeah, let me see that. That's it. And again. Love it. Yeah. Okay. Header straight. That's beautiful. Good. Take it out. Let's try another one. See the wee love heart? Is there a wee love heart there?
Yes. That one's better.
Yeah? So nice and gentle. Red side it's got to be, hasn't it? That's it. That's it. Fantastic. Love it. Beautiful. Fantastic. And again. Let's try another one.
Try 3. Oh, could that's it?
Aye, try it and see.
Give it a shot. So like right in the corner.
Fantastic. Close the eyes. And again, keep them closed. Drop the chin. Beautiful. Big difference. It's awesome. I love it. Let me just take these pink off of here as well. Okay, darling. Here we go. Love it. Beautiful. Superb. And again. Make them in close. Have that light in, Paul? Brilliant, mate. Brilliant. And again. Looking good. It's fantastic, isn't it? Could you just, you see that thing I just put, maybe this string, right? Just put it in. That's it there, I like that, right? Get your hand down, right? Just lean right into me. Tilt the head a wee bit, it's beautiful.
Not going off.
It's not meant to.
Oh, it's
Take one of the balls and bring one of the balls like that and just point it towards me.
with the ball.
Yeah, but put one in your mouth as well. Yeah, it's fine. Fine, make it straight. That'll do it. Good. Okay. Mate, it's awesome. Further with this hand. Right over your eye, this way. Whoop, just there. It's totally awesome lens.